NFL Fantasy Football tutorial. How to play NFL Fantasy Football. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at the NFL.com platform, and we're going to have a look at this on the desktop. Know that there is a mobile app available also, so that you can do all of what I'm going to show you today, or most of, on the go. So first things first, all we have to do is go into fantasy.nfl.com. You'll get to this page. Now, I presume at this point you have signed up and you have your own account, which you'll be able to manage up on the right hand side. So if you go up, you can add a profile picture here. So if you have, your profile picture will be just over there, and you can now see all of the settings for your account. So right over here, you can edit your profile up at the top. You can select your favorite team. You can also get the latest news on your team. You can also change your password here, and you can manage all your NFL subscriptions. You can also manage your email preferences, as well as connect to the NFL in a bunch of different ways. You can also manage your third-party accounts here, and then they have a group of support items over here, so frequently asked questions, as well as customer service, terms of service, privacy policies, and then also if you have a question, you can go right in there and you can ask the NFL platform. So let us go back out here now to our homepage again. Up at the top on the left hand side, you can see that there's a how to play tab, and that's the tab that we're in now. And this basically offers you the opportunity to check out some top stories which are circulating in the NFL, and then there are some featured tabs here. You can enter a draft, you can skip the wait and join a fantasy league with other fans immediately without having to wait. Then you can watch live out-of-market preseason and live local regular season games right on your phone or your tablet. That's quite awesome. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and you can tap on the subscribe button right over there. And then we have fantasy news. As you can see here, there's a bunch of stuff from videos to articles, everything else you need to see over here. So going right back to the top of the page, we can have a look at how we can do a few things here. So first of all, at the top right hand side, you can manage all your leagues over here. So once you tap that, you will have a drop down menu of all of your leagues. And then it is also actually displayed right over here. So all of your leagues are right in on this how to play homepage. So the first thing we're going to do is you can actually start a free league right over here, and on the left hand side there is a button for that. You can just tap on that. Now there are a number of ways you can do this, and there are a few options. So first of all, you will enter a league name. So we can just go ahead and say my second league, and then you have to enter in a league password over here. So we are going to put in a league password, and then you can also enter a custom URL if you would like to. And the next thing you want to look at is your draft selection. So your league draft type, so your draft format, you can either do a standard or a salary cap. And if you'd like to learn more about what exactly that is, you can just tap on this Learn More tab on the right hand side. You can also define now your time per pick, and that means when you're drafting per pick, you have this amount of time to actually make your pick. Then you have the draft type, and this over here, you can see here there's the live online draft. You also have the auto pick draft, as well as the offline draft. So of course, yes, this is all important. So you must make sure that when you are choosing your draft type, as well as all the other details here, you must make sure that you are choosing it correctly and to your preference. You also have a draft order right over here. So your draft order can either be linear or snake, and if you'd like to learn more about that over there, you can just tap on the Learn More tab. Also, we have the auto pick and then the offline draft, which you can also select from. Going into the league settings over here, you can go around and you can select how many teams are in your league. So we can just say 4 for now. And then the divisions, you can either divide them into sort of subgroups or not. And then the weeks per playoff matchup. Again, you can go ahead and tap on the learn more here, and you can actually learn more about exactly what it entails. The playoffs also, having a look here, you can select when your playoffs are. And then also you can choose whether your league is actually viewable by public. So you can just select that on or off. And there are some customizable league settings over here, such as offense, defense, and so forth. Then you get all the way to the bottom. You can also customize your scoring settings, which is optional. So you can sort of pretty much define everything that you need to right over here. And then the last thing, you can actually name your team. So you can name it like Team Awesome, because your team will be awesome. And then you can change the time zone, and you can select whether or not you want to be notified of league events by email, trades, waivers, and etc. And once you're done, you can go ahead and tap on Create My League. So as you can see now, it says you have created your league. It gives you the name. It also gives you all of the details, such as the scoring, league, team info, and everything else right over here. So that is, if you're wanting to create your own league, this is a way that you can go about it. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to actually join a league. So we're going to go back now to the home page by tapping on this NFL fantasy icon on the top left hand side. So on this page over here, you can see we're back on the home page, and on the left hand side over here, you can join a league. Also, you have the opportunity to receive an invite. So if you have received an invite from somebody, you can tap on received an invite right over here. Basically what will happen is you'll be able to put in that link details, the league ID, as well as the password, and then you will be able to jump into that league that you've been invited to. So let's jump back now onto the homepage again, and now we're going to have a look at how we can join a league. So again, on the top left hand side, you will see the join a free league, and we're going to tap on that, and it'll bring us into this next page where you can register to join a existing league. So as you can see over here, this is the league directory, and there's a couple details here. You can either look for NFL managed, NFL winners, or you can look for custom leagues. We're going to leave it on the NFL managed leagues right now, and we can go ahead here, and here is the league name, and here are the league details. So you can go ahead and you can check out any one of those details. We have our scoring details, our preferences, our positioning, opening, format, type, time, and also action. So you can join any one of these right over here. So having a look, let's say, for example, this first one over here, we go over to the right hand side, and we can tap on join. Now, once we tap on join, we will be put into this next page where we can just fill out some details, and then we can be part of the league that we've requested to join. So over on the right hand side, you can see the league ID, draft type, draft format, and so forth. All the details of this league you can see right over there on the right hand side. Okay, so the first thing is, it says please enter your information to join this league. So you're going to go team name, you're going to go Team Awesome, and we're going to go down, and we are going to choose a time zone, and we're going to leave it right over there. And then you can either toggle this on or off, whether or not you want to be notified if there are any events via email, or any trades, waivers, and so forth. And then right over here, there is a submit button. You can tap on the submit button, and now you will have a chance to be part of this league. And here you can see now on this page, we are now part of this NFL managed team right over here. As you can see, it now also says that your league is currently drafting. So this is the part where they actually start choosing their players, a lineup for their team. Great. So once you pretty much have done that, you can go ahead and go through all of the other details that you need to. You can go to the manage tab over here on the top of the page. There's a toolbar there, and you can pretty much manage everything that you need to about your league and everything else right over here. So you've got your league management, and as you go down here, you can remove teams, add teams, There's a bunch of things that you can do here. So go ahead into your league manager and you can actually do pretty much everything. You can also change the settings of your roster, your draft management, and so forth. There we go, guys. If you want to play NFL fantasy football, it is a great way to do so right over here on the NFL platform. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers for now.